I know what you are thinking, and yes, the process of fast human industries might seem a bit cruel, but the result is absolutely delicious. My lord, that is good. This is Janet from Channel 6 News. Pardon me. Thank you for watching.
Cut! Remember this. You know what this is all about. You know how wrong it is and what it actually means. You are shocked, yet after a few minutes you forget all about it and start doing something else. You care, and then you don't. A part of you thinks you could do something more. Make me believe that. Let's go again. Action!